These are how you attach everything. These are your corners. It says top right there. This is how you connect the radon through there. Just like that. This side, the black pipe goes up. And these are just normal couplers that attach the drains together, form drains. These are the spacers. No real thinking once you attach them. They're all 2 foot, exactly what we need the footer to be. Alright, we got all the material down there. So put everything together that can be screwed without making any cuts yet. That's going around and screwing all the corners together. And then in spaces like this, we'll just put our piece. So we got this all framed out now, stakes in. The way we did this is, this was our wall line right here. So we're using 10-inch blocks, so this is our corner. The block go right here. So right here 7, the block go, and then another 7 because we're doing a 2-foot footer. So it's 2 foot, then 7 inches each side, or 10-inch block in the middle. This is what we're about to set at the height. So we're getting the last stakes there. It looks like from up here. Dave went around and set everything to height. Sawyer's screwing them all. Wall line coming down, ready to put rebar in.
Nothing drains.
How do you want us to, you got a little, because that's only a crawl space. Is it alright to limit across to the wall? Or do you want to
Got a rebar all in, set. This is and then you got your grounding rod coming out of the footer right there, out of the way of the block. So it runs through there, out the other side, the floor drain. This is where the radon comes in, at the middle right there. When you do this, there's these vent things on the outside, and there's none on the inside. That's the drain. So you gotta make sure all your holes are on the outside of your forms, and on the inside of them they're smooth. This is what it looks like from up here, all finished.
I'm just excited to lay block and we don't have to wash or mud.
Yeah. Forgot a screed this morning, so we're gonna use a cut off piece of form that I have. So we got our plank to wheel on, wheelbarrows over there. Truck's gonna pull up, shoot down into our wheelbarrows, and we're gonna dump it out everywhere. Usually when we form footers we use wood, and it's the same process. We put the wall line up, we form around it, we bring in the rebar chairs, and then put the rebar in, tie it all together. And then we got to come back, rip the forms off, and then put in a drain around the outside of the footer, and on the inside there's got to be the radon system. With this, all we have to do is pour the footers and it's all done. It's ready to go. There's a drain in it, the radon's in it, and ready to go. So it's way more simple and a lot less steps. All done, ready to bring the block in.